If you want to use Edge Panels or the sidebar on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the Display option, and then in Display, scroll down in order to find Edge Panels. You want to make sure that Edge Panels is enabled in here. Of course, now we should be able to swipe into the middle of the screen in order to find these Edge Panels. You can also open the list of apps over here, the app drawer from the sidebar. You can tap on this pen in order to quickly adjust apps that you have in here, but also you can tap on the Edge Panels option in the display settings to customize the handle in here. You can also move it up and down by using these two arrows. You can change the color, of course, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there are a couple of different things that we can do. And also in panels, we can, for example, include people from our contacts and so on and so forth. And for apps, for example, you should be able to tap on edit in order to once again choose which apps should be added to the sidebar. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.